going to be cooking red kidney beans. And I have my fish in here. I'm going to fry this fish. I have my turkey neck and drumstick. This is already pre-cooked in the pressure cooker. I have the chicken frying. Yes, I said fry. Usually I kind of steam it and, you know, but today I'm like, I'm going to fry it. And I have some other meat in my pressure cooker. This is the pressure cooker. So it will cut the cooking time in half. All right, so let's go again. And now, of course, I have my onions and all of my seasoning here. Oh, one of the main ingredients for this will be my tomato paste. All right, so this is the fried kidney beans. Okay, this is it. This has everything in it. I know, well, in this house we eat a lot of meat. So we have turkey neck, yes, turkey neck, and turkey drumstick right here. I have chicken drumstick. Where are you? Where are you? Right here. Chicken drumstick. And fish, of course. Got fried fish in here. So I'm gonna be careful not to break anything up into pieces in this pot because I hate it. I hate that. So what I'm doing right now is taking food out and putting it in a tray for someone. So here it is. I'm going to put, you know, not too many people like to eat a bunch of meat, but too bad. We eat a lot of meat around here. So I'm going to carefully place a few amount of meat in this pot for these people. Yep. Where's the chicken? They are chicken people. They eat chicken. 2 pieces of chicken. Turkey neck right there. Please let me finish my video first. Thank you. Okay, so pretty much this is my pot. This is my, yep. Fry kidney beans. Guys, have you had cauliflower with red kidney bean soup? Well, this is it. I made cauliflower. Well, first I did the red kidney beans. Now I'm gonna eat my meal with cauliflower. So, bon appetit.